Welcome to one of our documentary, the world's most revered and ancient spiritual gatherings, the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025. This extraordinary event, celebrated once in a 144-year cycle, is not just a festival, but a spiritual revolution that brings millions of pilgrims together in search of purification and divine connection. Join us as we explore the history, significance, and the transformative power of this sacred gathering. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more incredible content, share it with your friends and family, and let us know your thoughts by commenting below. We'd love to hear how this powerful story of faith resonates with you. Welcome to a journey through one of the world's most revered and ancient spiritual gatherings. Today we explore the Maha Kumbh Mela, a monumental event that has been celebrated for thousands of years, and a sacred occasion that marks the eternal union of the divine with humanity. Every 12 years, millions of pilgrims gather at the confluence of rivers, but once in a 144-year cycle, an extraordinary event takes place. In 2025, Prayagraj, located at the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Sarasvati, becomes the center of spiritual and Maha Kumbh Mela. This isn't just a festival, it is the culmination of faith, devotion, and collective belief in salvation. Let's step back in time to understand the significance of the Kumbh Mela. It all begins with the ancient story of the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean of milk, where gods and demons, in a cosmic battle, sought the nectar of immortality, Amrit. During this divine struggle, as the nectar emerged from the depths, drops of it fell on 4 sacred sites on earth: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These places became revered for the Kumbh Mela has been held at these 4 locations every 12 years. But in Prayagraj, the rarest and most spiritually powerful event unfolds once every 144 years. It is during this time, when the alignment of planets and stars creates the perfect cosmic conditions, that the Maha Kumbh Mela comes to life. And this year, 2025, marks the 144-year Maha Kumbh, making it a gathering of unprecedented spiritual significance. At the Triveni Sangam, where the sacred waters of the Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Sarasvati converge. Here, under the golden light of the early morning sun, millions of devotees prepare to take the Shahi Snan, the royal bath, believed to purify the soul and cleanse sins accumulated over lifetimes. The Kumbh Mela is not just about bathing in holy rivers. It's a journey of profound spiritual transformation. It is a time when millions shed their burdens, both physical and emotional, seeking inner peace, redemption, and salvation. It's a moment when faith transcends boundaries. From the devout sadhus and Nagababas, who are the ascetics and wandering holy men, to families, students, and seekers of all kinds, the Maha Kumbh brings together a rich tapestry of humanity. The Naga Sadhu procession, with its distinct rituals, marks the beginning of the bathing festivals, where thousands of ascetics dip into the holy waters before the general public. It is an awe-inspiring sight, an embodiment of spiritual purity and ascetic discipline. The crowd of pilgrims is immense, yet there is a serene, almost hypnotic calm that flows through the air. You can have a chance of haha gange, the reverend call to the divine. People come to pray, to mediate, to reflect on their lives, to reconnect with their higher selves. It is an atmosphere of peace and profound connection, where the soul is believed to be lifted, transcending beyond time and space. As the world's largest peaceful gathering, the Maha Kumbh Mela is more than just a religious event. It is a cultural celebration, a display of human unity. The grand processions, spiritual discourses, and traditional rituals offer a glimpse into India's rich spiritual and cultural heritage. For those who visit, it is an unforgettable experience, one of sacredness, togetherness, and transformation. But the Kumbh Mela also has its place in the modern world. With over 150,000 tents set up to accommodate pilgrims, and thousands of temporary infrastructure projects in place, the event continues to evolve with the times. Yet, despite the modern touches, the essence of the Kumbh remains unchanged, rooted and committed to spirituality. The 2025 Maha Kumbh is expected to draw more than 400 million people, from every walk of life, from all over the world. The very essence of the Kumbh, with its gathering of humanity, teaches us the importance of faith, of giving, and of transformation. It reminds us that in a world of noise and distraction, there are sacred moments, sacred spaces, where the soul can find solace. This sacred bath, this faith, is not just for cleansing the body, but for purifying the soul. The Kumbh is a universal reminder that no matter where we come from, no matter our past or struggles, we all have the capacity to transcend, to reconnect with the divine essence within us all. And so, as the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025 unfolds, let us remember that in these moments, we are all part of something greater, a movement toward peace, toward connection, toward spiritual growth. The sacred waters of the Triveni Sangam welcome us, as they have welcomed millions before. The Maha Kumbh Mela is not just a festival, it is a spiritual revolution, a coming together of humanity, and an eternal reminder of our divine potential. Come, take the sacred dip, and experience the transformative power of faith. And so, as we close our journey through the Maha Kumbh Mela 2025, we reflect on the power of faith, unity, and spiritual transformation that this sacred event brings to millions around the world. The sacred waters of the Triveni Sangam continue to welcome seekers of peace, redemption, and divine connection, proving that, no matter where we come from,